Hi all, welcome to this channel and wishing you all a happy and wonderful new year. Today we are going to do the unboxing of DJI OM 4. So that is the latest update from OM 3. So let's do the unboxing. Here you can see the details of the product, from where it is originated, country of origin, and how it is imported to India. So those all details have been mentioned here. So here you can see the main USB of this version, that is the magnetic movement creation. So that we will just show you once we do the unboxing. Let's remove the plastic cover wrapped around the box. It's taking a little bit of time to remove this plastic cover. So let's complete that one. Okay, finally we are done removing that piece. Okay, let me keep my scissors aside. So as you can see, the DJI app is available both in iOS as well as in Android. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, there is a paper box, and beneath that we can see the gimbal. Let's see what's there in the box. Okay. On the right hand side we can see a pouch, so that is given to carry the gimbal while you are going for a shoot outside. So it is supposed to be quite handy to carry that pouch. Okay, in previous version they used to provide a box, but this time they are providing the pouch. So what else is there? Okay, that is guided transparent cover, so that we can attach the magnetic strip to the mobile phone. What else there? Okay, that is the 3M stickers provided along with the box, so in case we want to attach the magnetic part to the mobile, we can use that. So this one is a mini clamp, you can say, which we can attach to the mobile phones which are like below 10 series of iPhones, like iPhone 6 and all. So this is provided for the mobile phones which are smaller in size. This can be attached to the mobile phone using the 3M stickers. Okay, and then some papers we can see. Okay, let's see what's there. Okay, so that is the magnetic clamp which you can attach to the mobile. So it's quite handy. It is mentioned it's a magnetic clamp, as you can see. That's quite nice. What else is there? Okay, this is a mini tripod, so this is very useful. As you can see, while doing some stable shot and all, we can attach this tripod to the gimbal and it will provide stability. What else? Oh, that is USB-C connector to charge the gimbal. What else is there? Okay, now take out the gimbal and see how it is. Okay, it's quite light only, we can say, from the last version. So that is the magnetic head, and that is USB-C port which we can connect. There is another connector port available in the gimbal which we can be used. Those are the keys like the previous version only, and above that dots were like showing the charge available. That is the head, and there's the placement for attaching the tripod. That's how we can attach the tripod to the gimbal. Let's go ahead and check the magnetic head, how it attached to the magnetic clamp of the phone, and see how powerful it is. Wow, see how effortlessly it gets attached to that gimbal. That's the USB I was referring earlier. that was the unboxing of DJI OM 4. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the unboxing, and signing off now. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.